Hello, my name is Brian Kim, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY butterfly knife with wood. So to make a butterfly knife, the following we need are these materials. For the wood part, we could get a thin piece of wood right here. It's a paint stick, so you could get it at your local Benjamin Moore, Home Depot, or Lowe's, or just any regular piece of wood. But this paint stick will work really well because it's thin and it's easy to cut up. So let's get started. So let's start with the paint stick. We're gonna cut the paint stick up into these 4 pieces right here and another small piece right here, so the thing could move easily. We also need another stick piece that we'll get later in the video for the knife part, but these are the 4 pieces. 5 pieces, I mean. So these 2 are the handles right here, and you need 2 long pieces. This set is a bit shorter than the longer ones if you compare it right here, and this is the safe handle. So once you're done that, let's move on. So if you're asking how this butterfly knife out of wood is gonna move, we're going to use this thing right here. It's gonna tie together. It's a piece of plastic. We could also use a rope right here, but I feel like the piece of plastic would be the safest and last the longest. So we're gonna start drilling on here, then just drill it on here, and then make sure it could fit through, like after drilling it right in here. Then we're gonna connect these 2 pieces with this so it can move, and also we'll do it to the all other 4. So make a hole onto all pieces at the top around right here. Then we'll connect it with this piece. So I just finished drilling here for each one of these pieces. Now we're gonna start connecting them. So we take one of this. We're gonna need 4 pieces right here. So let's get started. So we're gonna put this right into here. This first right here. Then we put it into this piece. Then we just make sure the height is the same. Put it into this piece. Put it through. Now I'm gonna connect the piece like this right along each other. Right here. Don't make it too tight yet. And then you could see that it can move with each other. And that's a good sign right here. And then we're gonna do it to this side also. Now we're gonna get the pieces right here. Put this through here. Show you a bit closer right here. Then we're gonna connect it right here. Move it on to the same thing right here. Then we're gonna take this piece, slide it right through. I'm not gonna make it too tight yet, but just enough so it won't fall off. So now we could see the piece coming apart, like coming together, I mean. So it can move like that, this and that. So it's a really good sign right here. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the hot glue gun to heat up so we could attach the knife part of the butterfly knife onto it so it doesn't move. Okay, so I just hot glue gun the knife part of this. It's turning out amazing right now. As you can see, this is the safe handle, bite handle. This is the knife part. So you just make it around this 5 centimeters to 8 centimeters long for the blade, and then you take this. Make sure, something I made a mistake on is make sure to leave some space here because it like makes the transition a bit harder and rougher. So make sure to leave a bit more space, a bit more than I did. But other than that, it's turning out absolutely amazing. Okay, so right now I'm going to finish it by doing the ends right here. I'm just going to connect them like this, but I'm not going to forget to leave a bit of space for it so the knife could get through and for mostly the design. well, but it's turning out absolutely amazing so far, and I think it's good. Okay, so to do the bottom part, I'm gonna use the hot glue gun once again so I could put the parts together, and I'm just gonna use this right here, this wood piece right on here. Then I'm just gonna, one second, I'm gonna put this right here. These are the two ends. I'm just gonna take them together like this, overlap it, hot glue gun it. It's gonna go like this. It's gonna be stapled like this, all the way like that. So I'm gonna do that right now. So guys, I just finished making this. It's complete. I just glued it together so it doesn't fall apart. It feels really nice right now. But one problem I see right now, right here, is that this part right here, the thing I put, the plastic part, it hits the wood. So I kind of cut the wood off in the middle just a bit. But it's holding off really well right now, and I think it's doing a great job, and it's much more cheaper than the ones on Amazon. Like those ones are 20, like cheap ones are like $20 Canadian, and this is almost free. You just need the paint sticks, hot glue gun, and these plastic pieces. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, I think it's a really good thing, and it's very light. I think I made a mistake on how the length right here. I should have measured a bit more, but it seems kind of good. I might just cut it off a little and like do the same thing, but I kind of ran out of hot glue gun, so when I get more, I might do it, but I'm kind of happy with this right now and the way how light it is. Thank you for seeing my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and hit the like button. I'll try to post more often because I haven't posted in around a year. Sorry for the delay. I was kind of busy with COVID and didn't have much spare time, but I'll try to make more of these like DIY stuff and more creative. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.